Hey everyone, this is Anthony Stella. I'm here with Matt Viola and Matt Diana. This is our final project evaluation presentation. I'm going to first start off by looking at the our Agile Venture page. Um, we have an intro video. Here we have our project pitch and the minimal viable product.
We have
We
links to Pivotal Tracker and GitHub.
Yep,
Yep.
there's here you can see our GitHub link. These are the instructions to install it. We also have our link to Pivotal Tracker right here with our user stories. Okay, I think that covers pretty much the Agile Venture requirements. So I guess we
And
should
we
walk
got we
right
got
into
these
the.
wonderful photos of two of our
Oh,
members.
right. Sorry,
Wonderful.
we got photos right here.
Tony, these terrific photos.
This is team member Matt Viola, team member Anthony Stella. Look at these guys, great. Uh, so we put some photos on there. Moving on into our pivotal tracker. I don't know if anybody wants to maybe talk a little bit, take over here, or I could keep going.
Do you want to just work our way down the list in order?
Sure. Let's. All right. In this case, we'll start off with Matt. Here's the home page. Matt, if you wanna.
I'll just screenshot my own thing. Then.
All right, screen share your own, and yeah, that works.
All right, let's see. Pivotal Tracker. We got the home page, which I am the owner of. I got my user stories. User is not logged in, has an account. User is not logged in. Sorry. User is not logged in and has an account. User is not logged in and doesn't have an account. And then user is already logged in. And then my lo-fi sketch. That's what happens after the user is already logged in. What else can I do? I gave it 2 points. And then should I just do the cucumber test?
Well, right now we're just doing strictly pivotal tracker stuff. I don't know. I'm going in order on the.
Okay, so we'll do all pivotal tracker stuff first.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going in order in the checklist.
Did we say what the minimal viable product is? Oh no, that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah,
It says it on the
that.
page. Okay.
Look, if you see at general requirements, we went over all the Agile Venture stuff. Now we're going to go over all pivotal tracker stuff.
Yeah, so I just did homepage.
All right, and I mean, you had your sketch, and it was in the Connextra format, and you had the estimated points, and you met all the criteria.
Points. Yep, it's a feature. Yep, and my sketch. So that's it for homepage on Pivotal Tracker.
Okay.
Should
I move on to my schedule?
Yeah, let's just keep going.
Okay. So my schedule, we estimated at 2 points as well. I own this one, and it's as a user, I want to modify my schedule so that my schedule is updated for myself and others. You can see different scenarios here: deleting events and saving the schedule and creating events are some different scenarios for this feature. And you can see that there's a estimate of the test steps for this feature. I think that do we have a sketch for this one, or yeah, we do. Okay, so we got a sketch right here. And I think that pretty much does it for this one. Next one would be sign up. Matt, do you want to?
Yeah, I'll just share my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, you guys can see that?
Yep, yeah, I can see that.
Okay. So I did the sign up feature. I gave it 2 points. Here is the Connextra format description. As a user, I want to create an account so that I can use the application. Scenarios are the account already exists, if there's invalid info, and successful account creation. And here is the sketch.
It takes a little while to load. That's fine.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. Moving on, I guess it's back to me again. We get the login right here. Feature login. You can see the Connextra format here. It's estimated at 2 points. Different scenarios: login successful, account doesn't exist, account information incorrect. And we also have the sketch here of the login page. Pretty much very similar to what we have on the actual site. And I think that pretty much covers it. We should probably show the cucumber steps. We'll show that all together, I guess.
Yeah,
Well, I might as well show that we have that filter.
You want to just run it? We'll just do one run and we'll show all the steps for all of ours.
Yeah. So we also have
do you want to just do it at the end after we finish?
filter in Connextra format.
Yeah, let's just. I mean, because at this point, otherwise I would have said either we do the cucumber after we explain each feature, or in this case we already didn't do that. So let's just walk through our features like we've been, and then we'll do the cucumber next.
Okay, so who's up?
All right, so yeah, I think that covered it for the login. So I guess you're up now. You got to talk about the sign up.
We did sign up.
I'm sorry, remember me feature.
Okay. Let me just. There we go. So this is the Remember Me feature. I gave it only 1 point, and there's only 2 scenarios for this. If the checkbox is checked off, or if it isn't, and if it is, then you should be remembered upon every visit. There's no lo-fi for this one, but we can basically see on the other one what exactly it looks like. It's just the checkbox right here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
The last one we didn't get to start, but we do have the user stories for is the filter page, which was not part of our minimum viable product. Scenarios are user filtered you can filter by the project, or you can filter by the communication type. And you got the sketch for it. There you go. So that has not been started.
Okay. I guess at this point we can run our cucumber test. Should I be the one to do that? I'm actually in Collaborator project right now. Whoops. BU Collab.
I'll go first.
Okay, I was going to run them all at once. Oh, well, we'll run them all at once and you'll go. We'll each take a turn explaining, I guess. Okay.
I'm just going to do mine.
Okay, that's fine.
Here are the features. Here's the feature and the user stories. These are my steps, some of the steps I used for an authenticated user. We run my tests. Takes a little while. And we see that all the ones for the home page pass. And unfortunately, I tried to do RSpec, but did not get it to work, so I do not have RSpec tests for this.
Okay.
Well, should I just do the whole feature, show implementation on website? Right?
I guess you can. I mean, yeah.
Might as well do it all one at a time.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, so we go around the web page. We're on the home page, and then if I click login, it goes to the login page. If I click sign up, it goes to the sign up page. And if I was already logged in, you would see this. You see the schedule. That's what it looks like right now. show, inspect, explain code written for feature. Okay. So we got it in here. It's in view. If logged in comes from here. Basically, just says logged in, not current user nil. So if there is someone actually logged in, this will return true. And then if that is true, it displays the schedule. But this came basically from Matt, what Matt wrote in the schedule view. So he'll explain that later if he wants. And then this is what happens. This is what displays if the user is not logged in. We got welcome to BU Collab, the description, and then the two buttons right here. And then login path and sign up path come from the routes file. It says login do the session's new method, and sign up do the user controller new method. And there's the user's new, and what am I doing?
I don't think you have it
Yeah,
open.
session.
The sessions controller.
Oh,
Just check
no, I didn't open the right thing. Controllers, session controller. Aha. Okay. And then pretty much it for home page, right? I don't think I have anything else. The Cucumber, don't have RSpec. Implementation. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. I can go next, I guess. So I did the login, and okay, I'm on Colab. I guess if you were to run project, am I sharing my screen right now?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. That's great. All right, I'll go to the website. It's all right. Do it on a different browser.
No, just click advanced and then continue.
Oh, okay. So if you click the login button, let's see if I can. Had a password or had a fake account. So let's see if I can. That one. Nope. Hold on. You know what? Make an account. It's called Bob. Give it a Bob at AOL.com. Who uses AOL? I guess this is kind of doing bad. Doing the sign up. Already take. Okay. Bob111.
You're pretty much doing Matt's part.
I apologize, but
Matt, he can do all of his user stories.
Matt, do you want to go first instead, or?
No, you can go. I'll just
Okay.
go over it again really quick.
Okay,
yeah,
fair enough. Okay, so log out, log in. So if I had an account that already existed, I entered in the email and I entered in the password and I logged in, it would bring you to the home page and display this schedule. This is the home page that Matt was talking about before.
You should do it if it's wrong.
What?
You should do it if the account doesn't exist.
Oh, if the account doesn't exist, yes, very good point. So the account didn't exist. No. Then you would not be able to log in. And the account did exist, but the password was wrong. Sorry, I put in the right password. Just habit, I guess. It would also not let you log in. So I have cucumber tests for this feature. See if I can get out of this. Get out of this. Rake cucumber. It's weird why this terminal is probably do this on another terminal. Yeah, I don't know why that terminal looked like that. Okay, rake cucumber. Oh, am I not in the right directory? I guess yes. Call. And then rake cucumber. It's taking a while.
Oh, that's still running.
Yeah, it takes a while now.
Guess because I don't know, we've been running apps
I'm
and
just gonna
doing
run
things.
mine now, so I don't have to.
Okay, yeah, run yours now so that you don't have to wait for that.
Well, if you just ran them all, right?
Well, yeah, I'm running them all actually, so I guess. Yeah. Well, oh, okay, I cleared. Had an issue here. Matt, what did you do before to run yours?
You do cucumber -- require features, and then features / and then the name of your thing.
You see my screen? Am I doing it like cucumber -- require
I don't
feature?
see it.
Oh, you don't? Have I not been sharing my screen?
I don't know. It's not doing it. It's just like frozen.
Oh.
I see it.
You don't see it anymore?
No, it's right. Now it's right.
All right, cucumber -- require features, and then what?
And then space, and then features / and the name of it.
And then login dot feature. Do I have to put the extension?
Yeah.
Login dot feature. Okay. It's very weird that it all of a sudden just had an issue.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, God damn it.
Did it not work?
No. I don't know why I'm having this issue.
No, it's still going. I think you're good.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, hopefully it doesn't do the same thing again.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. Do you want to try? Well, here, let me just. I'll go through it. I'll just continue on, and then I don't know. You guys can maybe try to run mine if you don't mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over the steps. So here it is. Feature login. As a user, I want to log into my account so that I can use the application. Scenario login successful. Scenario account doesn't exist, and scenario account information is incorrect. All these pass. Hopefully, I'll be able to show you that in a little bit. So that's basically the features file. the code, I do not have RSpec as well for my feature.
Wait,
Don't
I
really.
got the. Here, wait. You can watch my.
What?
I got it. I got
Oh,
your.
you got it to run. Okay, so if you see on Matt's screen here,
Wait, I'm gonna make it run again.
the account creation successful. I mean, pretty much everything. All the steps
Let me
pass.
do it again. Just a second. Right.
Yeah, you can see account doesn't exist, login successful, all the different scenarios.
They all pass.
So moving on, user session. Where am I going? Session user controller, system controller, helper. Open these. Gotta find. Okay, so here is the function that gets called when you do the login. When you press the login button, it's gonna try and find that user given the parameters that were passed for the email. It's gonna try and find the user and authenticate it, and then it's gonna call login on that user. Well, not on it, but it's gonna pass user to the login function, and the login function is in. Where is my helper? Wait. Session controller. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. And here's the login function right here that gets called on line 9 in the other file. If it's successful, it'll redirect you to the home page with the Welcome to BU Collab. Otherwise, render new. Otherwise, it looks like it brings
It
you
just brings you back to
back
the login page.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Okay. And I guess I could probably show you the view as well if I can find it. Okay, that seems to be pretty much cover it. Matt, do you want to go now, or
Okay.
is there anything else I
Was
should
that
probably
both
mention?
You went over both of your features, or we just doing?
Yeah. Oh no, you have another.
Oh well, the my schedule was never. Okay, I guess I should probably go over that as well.
Oh, that was your feature. I said Matt before. Yeah, your feature. My bad.
Okay, I didn't realize that. So here is the my schedule view. It's basically gonna list out the display that you saw on the my schedule page, listing the days and the save button as well. There's a link to saving the schedule. Pretty much covers it.
Okay.
Did you want to show what it looks like on the?
Okay, yeah, I'll show that as well. Oh, sorry, I do not have an account for this. There you go. Here's my schedule. Here's the link with the save button that I was showing before.
Okay.
And yeah, that's how it looks.
That's all it really does right now. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm first going to go over the.
Be right back.
I'm going to go over the. All right, so I'll run all my. No, I'm not doing the login. So I'll run all the cucumber tests first. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so we have our 3 scenarios. If the user already exists, if there's invalid info, and successful account creation. I guess I'll just show it on the website before I go over the code.
Yeah.
So we have 4 fields here: the name, the email, password, and confirmation. So I guess I'll just make an account right now. Oops, that is name. Sign up. It redirects you back to the home page where it displays your name that you entered over there. So I'll just do the process again, except I'll enter 2 different passwords. And it gives us an error message that the confirmation doesn't match the password. And then I guess I'll do it one more time with an email that's already used. And it tells you that the email has been taken. Okay, so that is done. Once you click the button, it calls the create method in the user's controller, where it saves all the parameters, and then if it's successful, it'll log you in and redirect you back. Yeah, it'll redirect you back to the home page. Yeah, I think that's about it for that one. Yeah, and this is where the parameters are defined: the name, the email, the password, and the confirmation. So I guess I'll just show you the other feature that I did, which was the Remember Me dialog box, which appears when you log in. It's this little checkbox right here. So I guess I'll do it. So you can check that off. You'll be signed in. I can close out and then go back on, and I'll be signed in still. So the way that's done here, I didn't do any cucumber tests for that because it's pretty easy to tell if it works or not. And I don't have any RSpec tests for my 2 features. So in the sessions controller, the sessions helper, I'm sorry, we have the logout function here, which is basically just signs you out, deletes your session when you hit the logout button. And it calls this method here forget, which deletes the cookies associated with your session. And this function here, remember, is basically what's called when you check off that box, and it just sets cookies in your browser to remember your user ID, and it's removed only when you log out. I guess I'll show the views for this, the sign up. Yeah, this is just the simple view for the sign up. And that's it. I don't really know. Am I missing anything?
I don't think so. I mean, we pretty much covered Pivotal Tracker, the testing, our code. I don't really think there's too much more.
Yeah, I don't think
There's
so.
nothing else on the checklist that we need.
Yeah, we did the storyboard with her already.
Yeah, we did that before we left school.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay. Matt, you both feel we're good?
I'm good.
I'm fine.
Okay. Cool.
Right.
Let's
Thanks a lot.
stop the recording. Thanks.